In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to switch clock format on iPhone, 12-hour and 24-hour time system. Alright, let's get started. From your home screen, the first thing you'll want to do is open the Settings app on your iPhone. Once we're inside settings, scroll down a bit and tap on General, since that's where most of the system settings like date, time, and language are located. Now that we're in General, scroll down a little further and tap on Date and Time. This is where you can adjust your iPhone's clock settings, including the time format and whether it updates automatically based on your time zone. Here you'll see an option labeled 24-hour time. If you turn this toggle on, your iPhone will display the time in the 24-hour format, commonly known as military time. If you turn it off, your iPhone will use the 12-hour format with AM and PM. Simply toggle it on or off depending on your preference. Once you've made your choice, you can exit settings. Your iPhone will immediately update the clock format throughout the system, including the lock screen, control center, and apps that display the time. And that's it, you've successfully switched the clock format on your iPhone, making it display time in either the 12-hour or 24-hour system, whichever works best for you.